SEO hacks for fast results in 2024. William Nozak from Nozak Consulting here, cutting through the hype to give you the SEO strategies that actually get results. Hack number 1, featured snippets. Your direct path to the top. Your website can appear at the very top of Google search results, even above the first organic result with a featured snippet. It's prime real estate. To get there, format your content to provide clear, direct answers to common questions. Use headers, lists, and concise language. This is what Google favors. Hack 2, image SEO. An overlooked advantage. SEO isn't just about text. Images play a crucial role too. Use descriptive alt text with relevant keywords. Compress images for faster loading and optimize file names. These small adjustments can significantly impact your SEO. Hack 3. Keyword cannibalization. Avoid self-sabotage. Keyword cannibalization is a common issue where multiple pages on your site compete for the same keyword. This confuses Google and hurts your rankings. We'll show you how to identify and resolve this problem so your pages work together effectively. There you have it. 3 actionable SEO hacks to give your website a competitive edge in 2024. SEO is a continuous effort, but these tactics will accelerate your progress. Stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to our channel for more practical SEO advice. And if you're ready to take your SEO seriously, consider partnering with Nozak Consulting. We have the knowledge and experience to elevate your rankings. Get in touch to discuss how we can help.